Hello, my awesome subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. How are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day and with a smile on your face. My dear friends, a delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends and my awesome subscribers, we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends and fans, stay with us and see our latest dresses designs and stylish videos. My dear friends, with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of front button, plain fabrics, frocks style, scattered dresses designs for college girls and working women. These beautiful scattered dresses designs are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and viewers, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So my dear friends, discover the latest dresses designs on our channel and make your day more beautiful. So friends and viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction, and you can make sure you hit the bell icon which is so small in size but very useful for you to watch every new video of my channel. And friends, don't forget to comment your suggestion in comment section and give suggestion which video should do next. This makes me happy and motivates me to make more wonderful videos for you. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of scattered dresses for college and working women, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now please show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our more updates. And friends, you can make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel. I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys.